Hi everyone, so I'll be doing a demo and review on the new COSRX Blackhead Remover Mr.RX kit. So it comes in 3 steps. I bought 5 sheets of this because I need something to, for my nose. But anyway, this is the demo. The first step is the softening sheet, which helps to open up your pores to gently dissolve blackheads. And the way I notice it is that when you actually you leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then when you remove it, you can see like little bubbles or dots sticking out from your nose. And what I did was I just used a tissue paper just to wipe it off gently. Now the texture for this particular sheet is like a silicone soft type, so it's not like the hard material, and it feels very soothing. So definitely leave this on about 5 to 10 minutes, put it off, and then wipe it off. Now the second one is the clearing sheet, which is my favorite part, and this one just helps to effectively purifies pores and extracts blackheads. Now there's a lot of controversy between blackheads and whiteheads. For me particularly, I don't mind any that removes. For me, I just want to see some results on my nose, because I can definitely see that my nose needs some cleaning. And obviously for this step, you just need to put some warm water on your nose to open up the pores, and then apply this nose straight and wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. I like to wait till it harden a lot and then put it off. As you can see, it's pretty sticky on my nose. I usually start from the edge and then put it off in the middle in the end. I just find that easier rather than pulling out on one way. I don't know, that's just my method. Tell me how your method is like when you use a blackhead sheet. Okay, here you guys, the result is gonna look a bit disgusting, but for me, look here, I just use a flashlight to see more because it's just so satisfying to see it. But here we go. So you can see on the bottom tip of my nose, that's where my target is. Definitely a lot of things has come out from it, and obviously there's a little bit more on the side as well. But yeah, if you look close up, you can definitely see that yellowish milky color sticking out. That's definitely probably my whitehead and my sebum. It's quite yucky. It's actually much more detailed in real life, guys. Okay, trust me. Now the last step is the relaxing sheet. So this one just helps to close the enlarged pores. It's in, if you have any irritated skin. So again, this one you just apply it on your nose for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then afterward just remove the sheet and put the remaining essence onto your nose by just tapping it. Now this one feels very soothing because it's very cooling. It's very gel-like texture for this one, but obviously slip off easily, so just be gentle when you apply this on. So overall, I actually really like this blackhead kit. Definitely recommend it. Let me know if you guys have tried, because I know this has been out for a while. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.